You can't think about Dubrovnik without thinking about the city's impressive walls. I'm going to go and meet Carmen, who is a tour guide here in Dubrovnik. She's going to tell me everything I need to know about these fortifications. What do these walls mean for the city of Dubrovnik?
Everything, because today that is identity of our city. You can walk around the city walls, you can enjoy different views, different perspectives, you can have amazing photos, so it is something that we are really taking care of.
Yeah, it's a great way to see the rest of the city as well, from the walls.
Also that.
So what have we got over here?
So we have Fort St. Lawrence. There is an inscription. It says, "Freedom is not to be sold for all the gold in the world," actually. And that is quite important for us even today, because freedom and libertas are key words here in Dubrovnik even today.
It can get a little bit busy up at the top, so to get away from the crowds and to see a slightly different perspective of the walls, I'm going to go kayaking and check them out from the water. Hi.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Great.
I'm Louise.
Lucia, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You feeling good?
I'm feeling great.
Here you go, life jacket.
Thank you. To the ocean.
To the ocean.
Yes! Here we go. Champion paddler. I feel very small down here, like suddenly you appreciate quite how massive the fortress is.
These walls, I mean, they are almost 500 years old. And the main reason why they built them was the big waves in the winter.
The waves?
The waves, can you believe that?
Ah.
I mean, you would think it's because of the enemy, but the waves get over 10 meters high.
Do you think this is the best way to see the city walls?
I think definitely this is the best way.
Walking on the walls is a great way to see Dubrovnik, to check out the views over the ocean and get a sense of the hustle and bustle of the city itself. But I'm really, really glad that I got to come down and see the city walls from the water, get away from the crowds and get a sense of both sides of the city. It almost feels like you're inside the history of the walls itself.